Right, y'all, we up at the homie's crib. The SC400. Relocating the wire and harness. I was in, California. He hit me up like, yo, can you come out to LA, help me relocate my wire and harness? I told myself I would never help anybody ever do this ever again. Making a YouTube video. But we getting it done today, y'all. Let's get it. We got the wire and harness out. Mission accomplished. Didn't take 5 hours like last time. And we're gonna go ahead and throw it back through the hole in here. Let's see. Making it happen over here for the homie.
Yes, sir. Gotta feed it through the wall,
Yup.
Good clearance.
Get it through there. Yup.
All taped up.
Yeah, we about to tape it up in a little bit. The electrical tape all on the whole wire and harness, so we good, secured, Now we're gonna sift it back through this thing. We're gonna get it plugged in. Then we're gonna hit the streets.
Sure, into the firewall.
Yup. Oh, we gotta make sure this is tight, man, because my joint was a tight fit. When I plugged my cables in, you gotta make sure it's all the way tight. All right, dope. Now we're gonna sift it back through here. This joint right here. We're getting busy. Slide it back to this grommet right here. I did mine wrong, yo. I cut mine like all the way through here. All you had to do was cut right here. So I did yours the right way. I got you. And then I think one of these cables was like for the outside. Yeah, this is for the outside. And then these go in here. All right, y'all, we got the wire and harness in here. This other plug I didn't have on my 92. I don't know what it goes to, but I plugged that back in. We're ready to rock, yo. Check it out up here. Look nice and clean. It's better than my job, man. Dope, ready to rock. You're gonna throw this liner up in here, then we're gonna throw the wheel on, and you're gonna do some donuts, right? You're gonna hit some ripping tires for me, man? All right, let's do it. Let's see. The lights work. That's a good sign.
The battery light's not on.
You said the battery light?
The battery light's not on.
Battery light's not on. All right, just try to start it up first before you click that in there.
Where I put the keys.
Pass
me the keys, right? Yeah.
All right. The second moment of truth right here, man. Woo! Yeah. It's like straight pipe, man. Woo! Look at that, beautiful. I was a little scared for a second, man. I was like, oh, I'd have messed your whip up, man. I feel that in my stomach, man. About to get yeah. He said somebody cut out the catalytic converters. Don't got no catalytic converters in this joint. Somebody cut them out. They're trying like straight pipe. All right, y'all. So this is the graveyard right here. His old SC that he's parting out. Sad, man, seeing the SC built like this, man. All torn apart. I wanted to get these seat joints. I saw a dude do it on YouTube. He had to take the whole seat out, but it came out fast. But I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna have time for all that though tonight. I'm trying to think what else. I was thinking maybe the headliner. I want to put some stars in the in my joint, yo.
Oh, you don't have a headliner, you think?
All right, y'all. We back here in the graveyard. I'm taking the headliner down right now. I want to put stars in the ceiling on my SC. So I'm taking this headliner out. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, we back in the whip. He says he told me to follow him. Oh, them joints is loud, yo. Both of them joints is loud. He said follow me, gonna hit a little burnout for me. All right.